Hi, everyone. Welcome back to ELS, English Listening and Shadowing. I'm Jess.
And I'm Ray. Today, I want to tell you a story.
Okay, I like stories. What happened?
This is about my first day at work, my very first job.
Oh, I remember my first day too. Was it good or bad?
A little bit funny. I arrived at the office. I was very nervous.
That's normal. Everyone is nervous on the first day.
I found my desk. I sat down. I felt good.
Good start.
Then I needed the bathroom. I walked out. I walked back, but I could not find my desk again.
What? Why not?
All the desks looked the same. Same chair, same computer, same color.
Oh, no.
I walked around for 10 minutes. I was too shy to ask for help.
10 minutes on your first day?
10 minutes. A kind coworker finally saw my face and said, "Are you lost?"
That is a great first day story, Ray.
Not my proudest moment, but very funny now.
So today we are talking about the first day at work. New job, new people, new place.
This topic is for students, for fresh graduates, and for anyone starting a new job soon.
We will learn simple, useful words you can use in real life.
So listen carefully and repeat with us. This is shadowing practice. Say the words out loud.
Okay, let's talk about the morning of the first day. How do you feel?
Nervous, very nervous. Your heart beats fast.
Yes, nervous means you feel worried or scared a little bit.
I am nervous about my first day.
And usually you also feel excited. Excited means happy and interested about something new.
Nervous and excited at the same time. It's a strange feeling.
Very strange. So what do you do first when you arrive at a new job?
First, you go to reception. That's the front desk, near the entrance.
And someone welcomes you. To welcome means to say hello and make someone feel comfortable.
My manager welcomed me at the front desk.
After that, they usually give you an ID card or a badge, a small card with your photo and name.
You use this card to open doors in the office.
Exactly. Then someone introduces you to the team. To introduce means to tell people your name for the first time.
This is Ray. He is our new team member. That's an introduction.
And you meet your colleagues, the people you work with.
You shake hands, you smile, you try to remember everyone's name.
And that's very hard. So many new names in one day.
Impossible. I forgot everyone's name 5 minutes later.
Very normal. Don't worry about it.
Okay, next, someone shows you your desk. Your desk is your workspace with a chair and a computer.
This is your desk, they say, and you sit down for the first time.
And this is where I got lost.
We will not forget that story. Now, on the first day, companies often have an orientation. Orientation is a short training about the company, the rules, the history, the important information.
The orientation was 3 hours long.
Sometimes it's boring, but it's important. You learn many useful things.
True. You also meet your manager or your boss. This is the person who leads your team.
Your manager explains your job, what you need to do, what your tasks are.
Tasks, the small jobs you need to finish. My first task was very simple.
And usually on the first day, your tasks are easy. Simple emails, simple paperwork, watching and learning.
Yes, nobody expects you to be perfect on day one.
Very true. Let's talk about lunchtime now. What happens at lunch on the first day?
This can be very stressful. Who do you sit with? What do you say?
Sometimes a colleague invites you. Do you want to have lunch with us?
That's a very kind moment. It makes the day much easier.
It really does. And sometimes you eat alone, and that's okay too.
Yes, it's okay. Not every first day is perfect.
After lunch, you go back to work. You continue learning. You continue meeting people.
And slowly the day finishes. You go home.
And how do you feel at the end of the first day?
Tired. Very, very tired. New information, new people, new place. It's a lot for one day.
It really is. But also proud. Proud means happy about something you did well.
I felt proud after my first day. I finished it.
A great feeling. And what about the second day? Is it easier?
Much easier. You know your desk now.
Yes, you remember where your desk is.
The second day, you already feel more comfortable. You know some names, you know the way to the bathroom.
Small things, but very important things.
Very important. Step by step, the new place becomes familiar.
Familiar means you know it well, and it doesn't feel strange anymore.
After a week, the office felt familiar.
Exactly. And that's a nice feeling too. Okay, let's slow down for our word tour. Ray, ready to shadow with me?
Ready, let's go.
First word, nervous, feeling worried or scared. I am nervous about my first day.
I felt nervous this morning.
Next, welcome, to say hello and make someone feel comfortable. My manager welcomed me warmly.
They welcomed me with a smile.
Next, introduce, to tell people your name for the first time. She introduced me to the team.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Ray.
Next, colleague, a person you work with. I have many friendly colleagues.
My colleague helped me on my first day.
Next, desk, your workspace with a chair and a computer. This is your desk.
This is my desk. I love my new desk. It has a nice window.
Next, orientation, a short training about the company. The orientation explained all the rules.
Orientation was on my first day.
Next, manager or boss, the person who leads your team. My manager is very kind.
I met my boss for the first time today.
Next, task, a small job you need to finish. My first task was simple.
I finished all my tasks today.
Next, tired, feeling that you need to rest. I am tired after a long day.
I felt very tired after my first day.
Next, proud, feeling happy about something you did well. I felt proud after finishing my first week.
My family was proud of me.
And last, familiar, knowing something well so it doesn't feel strange anymore. The office feels familiar now.
After a few weeks, everything felt familiar.
So today's words, nervous, welcome, introduce, colleague, desk, orientation, manager, task, tired, proud, and familiar.
All very useful for anyone starting a new job.
And hopefully you will find your desk faster than Ray did.
I really hope so for your sake.
Before we finish, let's share some simple tips for your first day at work.
Tip 1. Smile and say hello to everyone. It's a small thing, but people remember it.
Very true. Tip 2, write down names. It's okay to take notes.
I should have done that.
Tip 3, ask questions. Nobody expects you to know everything on day 1.
Asking questions shows you want to learn.
Tip 4, remember where your desk is. Very important, we now know.
Extremely important. Take a photo if you need to.
And tip 5, be kind to yourself. First days are difficult for everyone.
Even for very confident people.
So here's our question for you today. Do you remember your first day at work? What happened?
Tell us in the comments, in English. Even one sentence is great practice.
On my first day at work, I felt... Try finishing that sentence.
And if you have a funny first day story, like getting lost, we want to hear it.
You are not alone.
Definitely not alone.
If this episode helps you, please like this video, subscribe to ELS, and share it with a friend who is starting a new job soon.
They will need it, especially for finding their desk.
This was ELS, English Listening and Shadowing, with Jess and Ray.
Smile on your first day.
Ask questions.
And remember,
Find your desk.
find your desk. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone, and good luck on your first day.